Hi guys, it's Heather with One Organized Mom. Today I want to talk to you about dust. Do you know that they recommend for you to dust your house every 2 months? 2 months. Can you imagine dusting your house every 2 months? No way. I recommend doing it at least once a week. I always recommend microfiber cloths because they attract all the dirt, the debris, and bacteria. You can use any multi-surface cleaner that you wish depending on smells. Everybody has a preference on what they like to smell in their home. Make sure you're checking your AC vent every 30 days because if your dust is building up in your AC vent, your house is going to be more dusty. You're gonna wanna hand dust everything at least once a month. Hand dusting it, spray your microfiber down with your multi-surface, pick up your items and give it a good dusting. Hey, it's exercise, right? Really, how often you dust your house really depends on your home. How many people are in your home, what's going on outside your home, and if you have any pets. Unfortunately, the more people and pets you have, the dustier your house will be. If you want to dust your walls, I recommend using a Swiffer floor mop with your multi-purpose sprayed on a microfiber cloth. The Swiffer duster works really well for all the furry dust balls that live underneath the furniture. If you don't want to take care of your furry dust balls, call One Organized Mom and we'll take care of it for you.